Hi guys, it's day 9. There's Gideon. He's always getting in trouble. He always has to be doing something. So much energy. So much energy. Mainly he just wanders around until he pees. Likes to chew on socks. Hey Sam. Here's Samson. He's not feeling well. I think his back hurts. He's pretty old. Yeah. What are you doing? What are you doing, little guy? Oh, he wants to play. Gideon, I don't think he wants to play right now. Come on. Come on. Let's go up the stairs. Gideon. He doesn't quite know his name yet. I think he understands it sometimes, but only sometimes. If you guys saw yesterday's video, he started to learn how to sit just a little bit. He likes to chew on paper. He always finds paper somewhere. Don't you, Gideon? You always find paper somewhere. Oh, and then there's that. He loves to go under the couch. He's not going to fit under there for very long. That's his favorite spot to go. I think it's because it's like a cave and dogs like caves. But, yep, it's really small under there actually. Like, if you see my hand, it's just like 2 of my hands. Surprised he can fit under there still. Probably only be able to fit under there for a few more days. Won't ya? Won't ya? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we took a nap, huh? Whoa. Alright, short video for today. But that's it. Gotta go to work. I'll see you guys later. Say bye, Gideon. Okay, good try.